So here is the unboxing of the Senal UB-440 USB microphone. Very professional box there. Appears to be the base of a mic stand. Very heavy, substantial rubber feet on the bottom and mic adjustment clips. Here is the mic stand attachment clip and the USB cable, of course. And here is the microphone itself. Large and very professional looking. And there are two switches on the front of the mic. On this side, we have a negative 10 decibel pad. What that will do is turn down the gain by 10 decibels if you're recording a loud source. On this side, we have a high pass filter switch, so that will reduce the low frequencies if you engage that switch. Also, on one side, we have a variable gain input selector, so you can control the input gain of the mic right from the mic. That isn't very usual with USB mics. So that is very cool. And on the other side, you have another volume control. This one is for headphones because on the bottom, the microphone has a headphone jack. So you can plug headphones right into the mic for zero latency recording. The post for this mic stand was also in the box that I hadn't gotten out earlier. And to attach it, you just unscrew this little ring here. Then screw it on the bottom of the clip, and you are ready to record. And like I said, I am going to do some sound tests on this microphone, so keep an eye on the description for the link to that post when I get it done.